Hello there, welcome to our weekly review. Another week has passed with many great opportunities. Today, our weekly review will be a tad different. It will include two runners, and to top it nicely, it will also include a hidden gem. If you are wondering what a hidden gem is, you are welcome to search our YouTube channel for our previous hidden gems and see for yourself. In short, the usual scenario is, we find, it runs, you profit. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you'll always stay up to speed. I'm Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and I suggest we dive right into it, shall we? Our first stock for today is GFTX. The stock ran hundreds of %. Let's see why. This is a pink current holding company that specializes in fiber, textiles and apparel technologies through its subsidiaries. On the 15th of November, the company released news stating that it is signing a letter of intent to create a joint venture with Maestro Entertainment Corporation. They intend to license the more than 10,000 recordings and leverage Maestro's industry relationships to create additional opportunities for the combined venue. Basically, they will create NFT music bundles. The transaction will bring a synergy between the companies that will initially create and sell non-fungible music tokens and vinyl records to be marketed either individually or bundled together. The company believes the joint venture will create both a physical and digital footprint while establishing a new record label. On the 14th of January, the company tweeted, "Post-Maestro Entertaining closing, we will have a detailed overview of 2022, including a pro forma income statement. We will continue to update shareholders through an investor portal we will create and also look to do audiocasts and/or podcasts in the future." Right after that, they tweeted, "Attorney meeting end of next week for final review and closing of Maestro deal. Looking forward to 2022 and the opportunities brought by Authentic Heroes/Maestro team." Meaning the closing of the deal is very close and the 2022 review will follow. That caused the stock to start rising. Then on January 19th, the company tweeted, "After closing with Maestro, we will zero in on a joint venture which could have major economic impact for the hip-hop industry and its artists. Patented AI technology living within the studio down in Knoxville, TN, with a GFTX friendly group. Future looking great. Promising another joint venture." On that same day, the company tweeted, "Ask about our brand strategy. On our board of advisors is an individual known as the Willy Wonka of the branding world. His name is Simon Grach, the founder of GGNY. Whereas GGNY is a branding company that worked with many interesting companies in the past." The closing of the deal with Maestro seems like a great step for the company, and it will be interesting to see how the story will develop. Off to our next stock, AIAD. The stock increased its value significantly. Let's see why. This is yet another pink current company which deals with AI-based marketing support. AIAD is an innovative technology company which has developed a proprietary advertising software platform powered by machine learning and artificial intelligence. The unified platform allows marketeers to leverage machine learning and AI technology to develop, manage, and implement digital advertising campaigns more effectively. The company has a nice website in which their marketing platform is shown in more detail. The reason for the rise, though, is a tweet released by the company mentioning their new client. But that wasn't the interesting part. The interesting part is that Brad Parscale retweeted it. Boom! The new Go AIAD platform has finally automated the full stack of technologies used in the 2016 election that changed the world. Watch the customer stack up now, it is full AI based. So much more to come. For those unaware, Brad Parscale is the 2020 Trump campaign manager, and many more. A person like that supporting an OTC company is a huge catalyst. And so AIAD started rising. Interesting to see what the future holds for it. And now, finally, we proceed to our hidden gem, INCC. INCC is a pink current holding company which is focused on investing in and acquiring businesses that provide unique opportunities for growth and expansion via innovative, transformative, disruptive, and energy-efficient technologies. The company has a superb share structure which could potentially provide for a powerful run. That is, if there will be no negative changes to it. The company's CEO, Antonio F. Uccello, said that the company has no plans to reverse split its common stock. On October 2021, the company tweeted, Dear INCC shareholders, we've been quite busy working on increasing shareholder value. We apologize that it seems as though we have not been communicative. However, we do look forward to updating you when time is right. Thank you for your patience and understanding. And then, on the 30th of December, the CEO tweeted, "Happy New Year! We are working hard behind the scenes to increase shareholder value. Some of the areas we've been exploring include NFT, metaverse, crypto, clean energy, and carbon credits. We are super excited and will share more in the new year." Meaning they are planning projects in some or all of the hottest sectors: NFT, metaverse, crypto, clean energy, and carbon credits. Since that tweet, the company has been slowly but steadily accumulated. The stocks seem to have everything in order to provide a beautiful run, though one must not follow blindly, as anything could happen, and the stock might also decrease in value. In conclusion, we have here a stock with a marvelous share structure, no intended reverse split, who is exploring projects in the NFT, crypto, metaverse, clean energy, and carbon credits, who has been loaded for 2 weeks. It will be mighty interesting to see how the story develops here. That will be all for today, my friends. I hope you have enjoyed the video and that you have learned from it. Remember to always do your own research and constantly look for ways to improve that research. I would like to use this opportunity and remind you that we offer a free version of the full OTC Oracle course, where you can improve your knowledge and trading abilities. You are welcome to join our Discord server of Simple Trade, where we share and research ideas. Thank you all for joining today and have a lovely trading week.